Hello everyone! Today we are going to show you how to make a delicious sour cream cake.
This cake is soft, slightly sweet and has a creamy topping. It's easy to make and it's perfect for tea or dessert. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the ingredients. We need eggs, sugar, flour, baking powder, butter and sour cream. Let's start by mixing the eggs and sugar.
We are melting the butter. Now add the melted butter and mix well.
Now let's add the flour and baking powder here. Now I will add baking powder. And now I'm going to add a baking powder. Mix everything until you get a smooth batter. Heat the oven to 180 degrees and bake the cake for 25-30 minutes.
Now put the butter into a baking pan and spread it everywhere.
Now let's mix sour cream with sugar until it becomes smooth and creamy. Now I will add an egg into this mixture. Now pour the sour cream mixture on top of the cake and spread it evenly. Put the cake into the oven for 30-35 minutes.
After that, take it down and let it cool down completely.
Our sour cream cake is ready. It looks soft and creamy on top. This dessert is perfect for any occasion. We hope you will try this recipe at home. Thank you for watching and enjoy your cake.